You are probably wondering how my friend got in this situation. Well, we're gonna start back from the beginning. Whoa, look at freaking Upper Dominion, yo! That shit is gonna be huge! What happened? Oh, that was crazy! Devin, aka 24khugs, will be leading the way today, and he has gone quite a reputation now with riding the Ozark Trail Walmart hardtail down Salvation, down Lower Dominion, through Crapshoot, through Flipper, and you actually hear people pointing at the lift lines like, yo, that's the dude with the Walmart bike. This guy is super fun to ride with, maybe lack a little bit of self-preservation. You'll see what I mean. What happened?
I somehow got like 6 feet of air off that first jump.
Yes, you did, and landed just flat.
I don't know. I've never gotten that much air off that jump. So to answer your question, no, I do not know how to warm up or stretch or.
How was that? Was that easier than the green trail?
Yeah,
It was smoother, right?
yeah.
I was looser too.
Here's the bottom half of it. That was him.
That was me. I pulled a little bit.
Somebody said, "Whoa!"
He's a BMX guy. That's why he's able to fucking hit all the big, boost the big shits. All right, let's go.
This is more like
It's more or less, but the bottom half is a little rougher.
Let's race.
Oops. Man down. Hey, Andy. Hey, look, we ran into him. Andy, hey.
someone is down. I'm just waiting for EMS for them.
Okay.
Everyone okay?
Shit.
I've already called him, so.
Hey, so that's Devin. That's Andy. You got Devin's fork?
How's it going? He's all right. You good? You guys called?
Yeah.
All right. Well, there's easy access.
I'm just saying to make sure no one's stacked around.
I thought that this guy looked like a racer because of the kit that he has on, his number plate on the fork. As it turns out, he was a 2021 expert class champion, downhill champion. So he's definitely a serious rider, and the trail conditions are just so bad that even he would crash here. And we actually saw a lot of people get hauled down the mountain with the EMT.
fuck, too
Maybe
soft.
like 4 or 5 that same day. It was nuts.
Going too fast.
I give you a hint. Go faster.
That's exactly it.
The jumps are friendly going deep.
Today is the first day of the season that I am riding the downhill bike at the park with my revised settings where it's less focused on just pure jumping. And so not full open rebound, took a volume spacer out because I want to ride some tech. Today was a tech day for me. I did a manual! I'll see you at the bottom then. Oh my god, I overshot that one by a lot. Here I am following Dylan. He has been struggling riding all season. And here I am following him, steezing it up, going pretty fast. And I had to like do a double take to make sure that was Dylan that I'm following, because the way how he talks down on himself, I was really expecting him to not ride this good. So yeah, you were shredding, man.
And I'm gonna give you guys room
All right.
because I'm like working my way through
Let's hit it.
my new body.
What'd you do?
Damn, that thing is so kicky. I'm not gonna make this. Oh, I did barely. I was setting some PRs today at Outlaw, at Tempest, at Indy with a DH bike, which you would expect, right? You know, that's normal. But when I was looking at the time difference, I was only 1 second faster on this versus the Hanzo ESD, which really shows how capable that hard tail is. And obviously I can probably get more speed out of it, but this is the limit of my abilities at this time of the season. That was fucking sketchy. Only made the double. I cleared the big table.
Nice.
Yeah, I tapped the brakes just a little. I barely made it.
Oh, I tapped the brakes a little, and I sent it really deep while squashing it. Woo! How'd you do?
Great.
Nice.
I missed one.
Don't forget about the roll.
Are you all ready to rock?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna go last again.
Hold on, I don't think I hit record, so I'll be last. So the bike actually rides much more balanced now with the new settings. I can still clear some of the smaller doubles, but on the bigger jumps I'm not getting as much pop. But I'll take it because when I'm riding down the tech trails, it's actually a lot smoother. I'm not constantly trying to get bucked off with super fast rebound. And when I slow down, instead of trying to go down as fast as possible, tech is actually kind of fun, and it's starting to make me appreciate riding tech again, because I used to like riding tech, and I don't know, something just happened, it changed, and I just kind of started fearing it. But I just need to be in a different mindset, and I thank this new group that Dennis introduced me to, that's, you know, making me ride out of my comfort zone.
I couldn't make it.
I have no idea
I went the
why I
wrong
stopped
way.
here. I could have just went straight, but in my brain, it was so off camber that I didn't think the bike would have the grip, so I had to start all over again. All right. I'm gonna go for it.
You want me to record?
Sure, if you want.
Up to you.
Yeah. You ready?
Rolling.
That was not smooth, but I did it.
Holy shit, that was a scary fucking line. Rolling.
I have done this exact same line 3 years ago on my hardtail. In my mind, I thought that was the smoothest, safest way down. Apparently, there's an easier way down. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, he got the sniper line. He wanted it.
Are you gonna try again, TJ, or are you just gonna live another day? All right. Here is TJ taking the smooth way down, the safer way down. It just doesn't occur to me. I don't see this without somebody showing me. So good job, TJ, on making it down.
For me.
Yeah. Jesus Christ, that thing is huge.
Ginormous.
Holy fuck.
And it's rutted out too. From the race.
I thought you said it was like a low consequence step up.
It is.
It is.
It is. If you hit it, like it looks deceptive from here, and there's a tailwind. Holy shit! Today's the day to do this. The lip is like that high, so like it shoots you up, but the ground follows you. So like you're never that high off the ground. Like even when I've sent this and landed it,
Yeah.
I've gone a maximum 6 feet of air.
Damn.
It just feels weird.
It's a long low. It's a very long low.
And I can absolutely assure you I've tossed myself right in the middle of that up every fucking time. Like if you want to see how friendly it is, I'll go hit it my way.
Yeah, go for it.
I have to like roll into it. 'Cause from this perspective, it's fucking crazy.
Yeah, no, it is fucking crazy.
This jump here, I think, is an off-trail jump for the US Open races. And my God, this thing is absolutely massive in person. And just, you know, Devin's being humble on his video. He says 70 feet. I did 29 wide
You wanna go ahead or you wanna
pace.
go after?
So that's like a yard per pace. And I did 29 of them. From takeoff to the dent on the ground that he contacted with. I am shocked he was able to survive that landing and not have any broken bones at all. It's a miracle. I see what you mean now. All right. The perspective is crazy.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh shit! Oh fuck! You alright? Oh my God, you went so long on that shit! You alright? You missed the landing completely!
All right. It's not lippy, it's long. It's not lippy, it's long. It's not lippy, it's just long. It's just long, it's not lippy. Just fucking take speed into it. Don't be a pussy. I'm good. Whew. 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 Back protector, chest protector, full face.
Meanwhile, mine's in the mail.
After a few days later, where we can properly evaluate Devin's injuries, he seemed to have only a ankle sprain some road rash on his bum. He's definitely sore, but no concussions, no broken anything. Was able to go back to work. Bike took it pretty well too. He popped the smoke in the back wheel. I thought we were pretty much done for the day. I mean, after that, I pretty much like took it easy. And I totally understand this, after he got cleared by the EMT,
I'll go down with
he
you. We'll
had
follow
to
you,
hit
man.
the
We gotta
bigger
make sure you're
stuff. So he
okay.
hit Upper
That was,
Dominion,
kinda
Lower
sketchy. That was
Dominion,
kinda sketchy.
Salvation, Crapshoot, with the one broken spoke. And he just needs to clear his mindset, because obviously if you have a big crash like that and you're not hurt and you kind of just cut it for the day, you're going to keep thinking about it, you're going to dwell on it, it's going to lower your confidence. So I totally understand why Devin ended up riding the rest of the day, but it's still crazy that he survived that and he didn't get shook from it. I mean, damn.
Yeah, let's go down, Indy.
So it was a pretty eventful day today, you know, a lot of weirdness happening with that one crash. I think a lot of people are getting hurt at Breakout, and probably the biggest jump I've ever seen in person. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.